Morning yoga practice helps energize and set a positive tone for the day. It's a great way to awaken the body and body systems and prepare for the day ahead. Practicing yoga during midday is a wonderful way to break up the day and release tension, helping you refresh the mind, improve focus, and provide a much-needed boost of energy. Evening yoga is a great way to unwind, release built-up stress, and promote relaxation at the end of a long day. Ultimately, the best time to practice yoga is when you have the time to be fully present in your practice. Any day, consistency is better than what time of the day you do your practice. If you're new to yoga, then I can't insist enough that practicing in a space where you have no inhibitions or hesitation on how you move, breathe, and think contributes greatly to your yoga practice. So the space that you are in, both inside, that is accepting how you feel in the moment, and outside, that's a space around you, becomes your most compatible partner on this journey. Setting an intention at the beginning of a yoga practice can help to bring focus, clarity, and purpose to our practice. Step 1. Find a quiet moment before your practice to center yourself and reflect on what you want to invite into your life. Step 2. Choose a specific intention or focus for your practice. It can be a quality, emotion, or personal goal. Step 3. It's important how you say it. An example, instead of saying, "I want to release stress," rephrase it as, "I'm cultivating inner calm and peace." Step 4. Choose something that's true to you. It should be meaningful to you and should align with your current needs, aspirations, and challenges. Step 5. Remind yourself of your intention throughout your practice. Let your intention guide your breath, movement, focus, and balance. Step 6. Take moments of quiet and stillness to visualize and feel your intention coming to life. Step 7. Be grateful for your practice and the opportunity to set an intention. Sound has been used since the beginning of time to create different modes in the listener. Our bodies are the resonating chambers of the sounds we make. Chanting generates resonance all over the body, creating a soothing effect on the nervous system, reducing stress and tension. This produces a meditative state by balancing the mind. Chanting also elevates prana, the life force energy in our body. More prana essentially means more energy flowing through us. More energy translates into more connection with ourselves, more clarity of mind to make decisions, more awareness in our relationships. Essentially, a happier you. Why we rub our palms after practicing yoga? One way energy is drawn in or out of our bodies through our palms. After a session of yoga, a lot of calming energies are created in our bodies. And moving our palms on our face and body helps to prevent the loss of energy through our hands, helping it get absorbed within. The rubbing of palms activates the energy centers in the hands. It also helps to bring awareness back to the physical body after deep relaxation or focused meditation, enhancing the mind-body connection. Thank you for being here. For more videos like this and everything yoga, join my YouTube channel.